Hey, Timmy D here, back again with another video for you. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a brief tutorial on the 5 best online marketing tools I have ever come across. These are tools that I use just about day in and day out. The best part is they're all free. So make sure you watch the whole video. It's kind of like a countdown, 5 to 1, and I always save the best for last. So what we got up first here is a site called KissPNG. Now, I've used a lot of different websites and different places to find images, and there's always something with them. Either they say they're free, but they're not. You can never find transparent images. There's always something, okay? But when I came across this, it was like a gold mine. I mean, we're talking over 6 million images, anything you can think of, just to give you an idea. And they're all different types of images, and most of them are transparent too, and all of them are free to download, which is really cool. And some of the most awesome images on here, like anytime I need an image, seriously, anytime, I don't even look at any other image sites anymore. This is the site I use for all my images. I mean, as you can see, most of them are all transparent. I mean, this is just an incredible site to find free images on, and they're royalty free too, so you can feel free to download them and you're all good. So definitely check out KissPNG, excuse me. The next one of my top secret awesome online marketing tools is a site I came across called Lean Domain Search. Tell you what, this is an incredible site. Obviously, as online marketers and internet marketers, I mean, we need to buy domains that have our keywords in it and whatnot, and for that, this is an incredible site. You can also buy the domains from here at a really reasonable price, but I haven't seen another one quite like this. I mean, it's an incredible tool. Like, for instance, you can find let's say you were looking for marketing. You just type in your keyword, and it's going to bring up all the domain names. Well, there's not many left in marketing, so let's just try something different, like top. Actually, let's try top hat. I don't want y'all to get the wrong idea or nothing like that. But anyway, but you see what I mean, though. You can rank them according to popularity, length, alphabetical, and this will give you tons of ideas for finding those whatever's left for awesome domain names. I mean, I've always used this tool all the time because I'm always buying domains, and it seems like all the domains are always taken, but if you just use this site, you can still really find some gems on here. So you get the idea. Go ahead and check out Lean Domain Search. It's an awesome site for finding your domains and whatnot. The next site I got for you, dude, I'm seriously stoked about this site. And I've been using this now for like 8 months. Originally, what it was I was looking for an app or a software, something that I could stay organized with, and they all seem confusing, or they all cost money. And then I came across this little gem of a site called pintask.me, which is incredible. You can create different lists, which bring pretty much like different I mean, you can have as many columns as you want on one page. As you see, like anytime I find a link, I mean, I can put it on there. It's not completely organized, but like you could have a blog post and then you get an idea. You could keep organized with your different blogs. I mean, I've got like a couple different companies, like appointments here for my other company I keep. And then there was leads for the websites. I mean, this is just an awesome tool, and the cool thing about it is there's actually a lot you can do with this here. You even have, for each of these boards, that you have an email that you can use. You can customize it. As you see, I got MJ in the background. Oh yeah. And I mean, this is just a really, really cool tool to stay organized. It's totally free, and I mean, it's just real easy to use, which I like. You can move, like you can, let's say you got something going on, like where you have you're starting out with cold leads, then you're turning them warm and hot. I mean, you can take these and move them. I mean, it's just a really, really cool site. Awesome site. I would definitely recommend that you check it out. It's called pintask.me. Okay, we got two more to go. And number two is actually the site that I'm using right now to record this video. It's called Screencast-O-Matic. Okay, so basically I was looking for a video tool that didn't cost an arm and a leg, and also was really easy to use. And Screencast-O-Matic hit the head on the nail on both those topics. So I mean, it's real easy to use. You can upgrade for like $10 a year. I think it's dirt cheap if you upgrade, which I did, but you don't have to upgrade. I mean, you can still record as many videos as long as if you need to go over 15 minutes with your video, then you need to upgrade. But you can record as many videos within 15 minutes as you want. You can set them up under different categories. You can create links. You can create like let's say you got a section for drop shipping videos. You can create a section for that. Marketing videos, you can create a section for that. You can keep your videos really organized. They always come out really clean and crisp. You can upload them right to the site. You can upload them right to YouTube, or you can download them to your computer. So definitely go ahead and check out Screencast-O-Matic. So really, really good site that I use every single day of my life. Now, if y'all don't know me, one thing about me is I always save the best for last. And my number one site is Builderall. Now, yes, it's free as far as a free trial. But I mean, in order to keep it, it's 29 bucks a month. But you do get a free trial without a credit card. I mean, they talk the talk and walk the walk. You get to test drive all the tools on there for a whole week before you make a decision. And I actually upgraded to become an affiliate, and I'm converting at almost 20%, which is incredible. Not only that, but they got a 2-tier commission program that pays 100% on the initial sale, 30% recurring. Plus, then you get paid on the 2-tier, which is incredible. But let me just show you what you all get in case you don't know for the 29 bucks or within your trial. You get 3 different builders: a drop and drag builder, a responsive builder, a mobile first builder, a mobile app creator. There's they have their own email autoresponder, which you can do up to like 15,000 emails a month. It's called Mailing Boss, and it's incredible. You can do workflows, everything you can think of that you could do with any of the others, like MailChimp, GetResponse. Any of the others you could do with MailBoss, and even better actually. I'm actually just kind of learning this now because I've been using GetResponse, and I'm actually just finding out how awesome Mailing Boss really is. There is a design studio which you can create mock-ups. I mean, it's incredible. Let me just show it to you real quick. I actually did a video on this too that you could check out about this design studio. But anyway, they got a bunch of preloaded templates and all that, and I mean, it's just incredible. Oh, same with the builders. I didn't even show you that, but they also have hundreds of preloaded templates, which I'm about to do a whole tutorial on how to build a website in like 15 minutes, because you got all your websites in here. I mean, they got the sales funnels mixed in here, but I'll show you that next. But I mean, these are just pretty much drop and drag. All you got to do is change the text, maybe switch around a couple photos. I mean, and you got a website, and they got pretty much any niche you can think of, from plumbers, marketers, machinists. I mean, anything you can think of, it's here. Dentists. I mean, you name it, it is here. I mean, it's just incredible what they got for, and they keep adding more and more every day that I keep noticing. And then the sales funnels, check this out. Look at this. All your sales funnels, and each one of them is just plug and play. I mean, edit a couple things and you're done in like 15 minutes. You got video sales letter funnel, product launch funnel, storefront funnel, membership funnel, lead magnet funnel, webinar funnel. I mean, a regular sales letter funnel, bridge funnel, live demo funnel, survey funnel. I mean, all your funnels. And the cool thing is let's say you, oh, I've never built this kind of funnel. Oh, you got a video right here, a description, so you know when to use that funnel. So you're always using the right funnel for what you need, which is really actually pretty cool. Moving on, they've got two video maker creators, an animated video and a floating video creator. And as far as apps, tons of them. You got browser notifications, SEO report tools, so you can make sure that your websites are always optimized. ClickMap, chat review, messenger bots, Facebook chat box, a ShareLocker. Oh, you can create courses on here. I mean, a lot of them you pay at least $49 a month to create online courses. And this is probably the most underrated tool that there is. It's called the Script Generator. And basically what you do is create yourself an avatar and put in all the information about you and your niche and whatnot. And from there, you can pretty much it'll generate scripts for you. I'm not going to do that because it takes a while. It takes to fill this out right, it takes a good 20-25 minutes, but I'll just show you this here. But once you've got that filled out and you want to generate your scripts, all you do is pick a niche, and then you can generate it'll generate your scripts for you. So you might have to edit a few words, but the majority of that will be actually in copyright that will actually sell. So you don't have to spend a whole bunch of time, writing up a email or headlines or whatever, because it'll all be done for you. So I mean, this is an incredible underrated tool. And you still get more too. I mean, they're always adding new stuff. This actually Legacy is where you build your blogs. You can build unlimited blogs along with unlimited websites, if I didn't mention that. But there's even a webinar tool now. That's fairly new. And one thing they just added here is the marketplace, which you can. This is kind of like a JVZoo or ClickBank. You can add and sell your own products. Like I've got a couple products that I put on here. I'll just maybe show you one of them. No, I won't show you one of them. That'd take too long, but I think you get the idea. Well, marketplace list, all different topics. Where's mine? Oh, here's one of mine. PLR Success Blueprint. Haven't sold any yet. It's fairly new, but getting on the ground floor, I suspect that this is going to take off just like JVZoo. Basically the same kind of principle. Everything's pretty much the same as far as how you enter your information, and then pops it to my sales page here. Boom. I mean, just that's fairly new. And another cool thing, and this is the last thing here, and then my video is done, but with the free trial, you get tons of training and tutorials. I mean, there's a lot to learn. You're never going to be able to figure it out in a week. But look how organized and easy the training and tutorials are set up. I mean, you just pretty much look on here. Oh, okay, I want to learn videos, and you got all your training videos right there. Okay. Not only that, you see all that you get for $29, or you can become an affiliate for $49. But if you sign up for a week's trial with me and join my affiliate team, or at least just try it out even, I will give you a free affiliate marketing course in 90 days worth of training. And that's a lot. I mean, this is a course it's got a beginner, intermediate, and advanced level. And when I tell you, this is a course that could literally sell, you would see somewhere else easily for $197. That's going to be free, and it's in a 90-day challenge format, 90 days of free training. All you got to do is join my affiliate team and check it out. And like I said, I'm pretty convinced that once you do that, you'll be sold, because this is definitely Builderall, something in high demand that pretty much sells itself. So number one, definitely check out your free trial of Builderall. If you haven't already, you need to check it out. Builderall is the bomb. All right. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you got something out of it. If you did, please do me a favor, show me some love. Give me a like, a share, or a comment. I really appreciate all that. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks again.